How goes it, YouTube? Today is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday, or happy whatever day it is that you're watching this. Okay guys, in this video, as you can see from the title, I'm showing you how I do Nayara's hair. She's 8 months, and how I keep up her curls. So I'm going to show you the morning routine and the night routine. So let's get to this video. Okay, these are the products I use at night. I use coconut oil, which I got from Big Lots for $12. It's a big jar. And I use Curls, the Green Collection Bamboo Treatment that you can find at your local Target or online. I'll leave the link in the description box below. That was $16, I believe. And all I do basically is I get a little bit on my fingers, about that much. I rub it in. So she's in the bath. I rub it on her hair. Rub it on her hair. I just wet her hair a little bit every night. This is what I do every night when I bathe her. I do that. And then I get a little bit. Then I get a little bit of bamboo treatment. About that much for her hair. I don't need that much, just a little bit. Of course, I rub it together. And then I put it in her hair. And then I brush it a little bit with her brush. Just brush it out in her head. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Brush it, brush it, brush it. And see, she has, you know, some babies bald at the back, and she bald a little bit, but it's starting to grow back in. And I use to protect her other hair. I put ponytails in the little back, as you saw this morning. And yeah, that's all I do. So that's basically her hair for the night. Her hair routine for the night. It's almost there. So yeah. Somebody will get her towel out the dryer. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down and subscribe. Put a thumbs up. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye-bye. Say good night. Say night-night.